Hey everyone! So this is just going to be a video where I'm going to quickly show the demo of my actual AI model. So yes, this is the code, which can also be seen, just some snippets of it in my actual article, where this video will also be linked in. And just to get a quick view of the actual code, to see what I did, and also to just get a little visual to see the hard work I put in, the different environments and all the different, the front end and the back end. But let's not waste any more time and let's get into it and just quickly show you the demo, what it does, and then to see how it's good but it's also not good. Okay, so let's press this button to run. So it's gonna be a bit slow, however it's still going to be running now, and it's gonna create a server for me to then actually access it. So we're just gonna wait for that to happen for a bit, but it will soon come up. This is the stage where I always think, oh, is there maybe an issue, maybe it doesn't actually work, and I'm always like, what's going on? But it just takes a bit of time for it to just show up for some reason, but it's okay as long as it shows up at some point eventually, So here it is, Serum Flask app main. There's this warning, but we do have the production server and deployment. So here is also the debugger is active because it checks step by step what I'm actually doing. So it's running on this server here, 127.0.01.5000. So now I'm gonna just click to follow the link, and it's gonna redirect me to the actual app. And here it is, the weed identification app, where I get to upload an image, of the plant that I want to identify, which would be a weed in this case. So I have prepared some testing images so you guys could actually see pretty much just how much of a kind of bad, kind of good AI it is. So let's start. I almost forgot. I need to choose a file. So let's go with this one, field binary test. So I say it's test, but it hasn't actually been tested with this image in its training or anything like that. So before you start thinking that, oh, it's biased in any way, no, I just went on the internet and found this picture that I made sure that it wasn't previously trained on or anything like that to see. And we're gonna now check, and I'm most likely gonna say it's not going to work, but let's see. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm not joking when I tell you that the last time I tested this, it was all oh, this does not work, or there's no weed identified. I am so happy right now. This feels like a live test for me too right now. Oh my gosh, okay, so that actually worked. So yeah, that is correct. This is a field binary 75.2%. I am genuinely shocked. And I'm not pretending, guys, I really did not expect this. I did not prepare myself to see this thing actually succeed. Amazing. Now I don't know, this is conflicting with my screen recording software, so I can't really interact with it. So I'm just gonna reload it so I get it to restart anyway, I think. But wow, that's exciting. That's really exciting, guys. Okay, so let's sign on the plant now. Let's choose a different file. Let's see. It always does very bad with black grass. I'm pretty sure it's not going to identify it in this case. It always struggles with it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. No weeds detected. And honestly, the black grass one was the one that I had issues with finding even data for it. It got to a point where I exhausted all the images I could find in Google Internet Images section for the black grass weed. So that was obviously a struggle, and then I went to trying to zoom it in and get more, but it has actually made it worse, I think. So I should have just kept them the original size. However, yeah, so that's for the black grass. Yeah, as we can see, it wasn't able to identify it. So let's identify another one now. Let's see, what other ones do I have to test? I'm pretty sure, okay, this is different black grass image. I tried it, I'm pretty sure this one also didn't work. Yeah, in this case it also didn't work again. Yeah, it just has a genuine issue with black grass. And honestly, I can't blame it. So let's see, it does pretty well with chickweed, I think, although it only does, but I don't remember if it does better when the chickweed is zoomed out or if it's in. Okay, this worked. So we can see that it's identified that there's chickweed. Sure, the confidence is not that high, 49% confidence. However, it did get it right, even though it's not very confident in itself. Yeah, my AI doesn't trust itself too much, but it's correct. So well done to my AI. I'm really happy with this. This is actually going better than I expected. I was really thinking that this would be a complete fail and I'll be completely shamed. Okay. So the last one, I think, that we need to check on to see if we could identify it on is the cleavers. Oh, okay, here, this is one. I don't think it detected this one. Yeah, it didn't. So that was not detected. Let's try and do one on the fly right now. I forgot to get it to identify fat hen images, so let's see if I can quickly get one for it to be tested on and see whether it can identify it. Yeah, the goggle's being funny. Show me a fat hen. That's actually just rude. Body shaming chickens. And apparently they even have a virus, and now everybody's sad in America because there's no eggs. So, you know, gotta appreciate our chickens. Can't be insulting them. I'm trying to find one that I'm going to like be pretty sure I did not show the AI before. Yeah, I don't think I showed this one during the training. So that should be fine. Let's see. We're going to download it. Saving the image. Obviously the little watermark at the bottom will not help the AI, but still, let's see how it does. So fat hen test image, we're gonna save it. Oh, I keep forgetting to do this. No file. Fat hen, identify the plant. No weeds detected. Okay, so out of 5, it was able to identify 2. It was able to identify the field bindweed and the chickweed. And actually, this really quite clearly aligns with the graph and the model that I showed in my article, showing pretty much its confidence overall in the different weeds when training. Field, bindweed, and chickweed were the highest ones that were most strong, and I think black grass or cleavers was like the lowest, alongside with fat hen as well. So yeah, that is quite a clear representation, and the model was definitely very accurate in its weak and stronger points. But that's it for my demo. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was really glad with some of the successes I got, and yeah, that's the end. Really, it's crazy that I've come to this point and just finished with building this AI I've been building since last year. There's been so much growth, and I can say I'm proud of myself. Despite it not being completely amazing or the perfect AI, it doesn't even have like 50% of confidence and stuff, but it's okay. So yeah, thank you guys, and see you.